friends, today's recipe vegetable dal for babies 8 plus month. So what and all I have taken: drumstick, beans, tomato, carrot, and moong dal. Moong dal only use. Moong dal I have kept water before 40 minutes before only. You have to keep in water so it will be easy for digestion to the children's. So you have worry about the how drumstick will be. I will tell you what you can do with drumstick. First, take a cooker, add 1 teaspoon ghee. Whatever you have to prepare for children's or babies, you have to use ghee. This is 1 teaspoon, small spoons I took. So 1 teaspoon ghee, little bit mustard. Allow it to fry. It should be fried properly. Little bit jeera. Now you can add pinch of turmeric. Now pinch of hing. So mix it. You can mix with spoon or you can mix directly. So add curry leaves. 1-2 leaves is enough. It will give taste. So whatever I have prepared, I am adding into this. So drumstick, whenever it will cook, drumstick water itself very strong. So if it is cooked, you can remove drumstick directly. Drumstick remove, and you can use the pulp or you can use that as it is, but use definitely drumstick. Drumstick is very good. Pinch of salt you have to add, or salt also you can skip, but I have added pinch of. You can add it as I asked doctor said you can add pinch of salt, that is not an issue. And add hot water. So mix it all. So 1 pepper I am using. Now we have to close the lid and give 5 whistles. It should be cooked smoothly. 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, you have to allow it to cool. So 5 whistles done. This is a cooled. Now I am removing first pepper. Pepper is a bit spicy. It is came all flavor into the dal. That is enough. The drumstick also same case. The flavor came or that water is came into dal. That is enough. Now you can remove the drumsticks. Otherwise you can smash it and take the pulp from it. Otherwise you can no need to use. So add water. This is become little bit thick. If you feel anything in hard, you can remove and give, but definitely add it in the dal. So at least it will be good for babies. So this is, see how smooth it is cooked. You can use this dal with rice or idlis or dosa or rotis. You can use this dal for these all foods. Make the combination. See, our smooth dal is ready. Definitely try it and check it. This is a very tasty dal. So kids love it. Kids means babies love it. Definitely try, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.